What's up, guys? So in this video we're going to be replacing an AC condenser on my 2006 Chevy Trailblazer. Let's go.
Look at zero garage. Yeah, what's up, man?
First thing we're going to be doing is removing the grill. So now we're going to take off the bumper. You're going to have a 10 millimeter, you got a clip, and you got 10 millimeter. Remove those. So you're going to have a clip right here, and if you're going underneath the bumper, you're gonna have a clip right there. And after you remove the clip on this back side of the panel, you're gonna have that. So just grab the bumper and pull forward. There you go. Bye, guys.
Oh my God, this is so big.
Okay, guys, so now we're gonna remove both headlights. We'll start with this side. Grab a flathead, pop up the clip. And the other clip is right there. There you go. You're gonna have 3 electrical connectors to remove. You're gonna remove that one, and that one. So now you can remove the light and do the exact same thing to the other side. Alright, guys, that's how it's starting to look with everything off, the headlights, bumper, and grill. Now we're going to start taking off this backing plate that holds all that together so we can get to the condenser, and then we're going to be removing this plate also across from there. So let's start by removing this off. Don't forget your little battery tube, air cooler tube. There she is. So now we're going to remove those 2 bolts, these 2 in the middle, and those. And there's gonna be another bolt right there, guys. Now we can remove it out of the way. So now you can remove this top part. Set it over there. So now in order to remove this part, we gotta remove that last nut. There you go. Yeah. So now guys, you can remove this and set it to the side. So just remember guys, before doing this job, you got to take this to a shop and get the Freon discharge. I didn't do that because mine was already leaking. So hit the trans cooler and it punctured a hole on the damn AC condenser. Shit. Okay, wait. Well. Let's see what we can do. Now, pull up the line. You see, mine's empty. There's that one. And these do have some O-rings if you want to replace those also. It's recommended, but I don't have some at the moment. So now, remove the two 10 millimeters that's holding the AC condenser to the radiator. There you go, guys. So now the AC condenser is loose, and now we can start removing it. But before we do that, it's time for a nose break. Alright guys, get back to work. So remember, when removing the AC condenser, remove the driver's side first. Tilt the driver's side and then pull it up. Like that. There you go. So that's where it was puking out, guys. It's funny because a lot of people were saying it was a radiator, but clearly it's the AC condenser, not the radiator. Grab the condenser, throw it out of the way. Ask the blue henchman to bring the box. See you guys. Thank you.
Delivery.
Thank you guys. We have our new AC condenser. I don't have my knife, son of a... Oh, that came off easy. I'm gonna have your new threads. Here's some pliers. Cut those off. Here's the new AC condenser. Ooh. Yep. So just remember, pull the little plugs out there. And there's gonna be one on right here. All right, put it on. All right, guys. So just remember, on the bottom side of the AC condenser, there's gonna be these two little ears, and those clip in to that. That's where they place in on both sides. Okay. Okay, let's start putting it on. Remember, put passenger side first, then driver. There she is, guys. She's in. Now, reinstall everything in reverse order. Don't forget, guys, to put on your new studs. Same thing with this side. And if you want to snug them down, they're a 5mm socket. Snug it down. Now you guys, backing plate. Make sure to fish in the connectors through.
I did.
So it's all done, guys. It's complete. So after you clip in the grill, make sure it's all clipped in, of course. You don't want it flying out on you. There you go. Make sure the bottom one. There you go. She's done. So just remember, guys, take it to your local repair shop and have them recharge the AC system.